Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make a Vacodad video in CapCut PC. So just going to select your video and then just going to effect and select comic and then select neon just right here and adjust for the duration as long as you like. So, and then just tap on the video and you can click audio and select voice effect and you can select this scenes. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's how to back edit video in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.